today's lecture is the economic growth and political sound climate in the regime of Mr. Imran Khan, ex-PM of Pakistan. It is sorry to say that foreign interference in our country in the shape of NATO, US, European Union, and IMF always restricted our economic growth as well as political and geographical sound relations. We faced so many problems due to this relation with NATO, European Union and other blocs because Pakistan had always depended itself upon the shoulders of such economic institutes. Imran Khan avoided to take any further loan in his regime because the return of such loans was had created further many complications in this regard. The GDP and political relations of our country with Arab, Islamic and Third World were very positive, but when Pakistan wanted to exceed further in view of economic growth, it depended on IMF, Islamic Bank, World Bank, and the banks in Pakistan itself. So the struggle of Imran Khan was to get rid of any further complication arised from such relations, which created profoundly very unsound results. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit, SOC Summit, held last month in our country is hopefully very conducive, and it is hoped that Shanghai Conference, the joint communique of SOC Summit would give relief to Pakistan in this regard, and our economic, political, geographical situation will get very positivity in this regard. Previously, we were not member of SOC, and now BRICS organization is also looking towards us that we should adopt its membership. In view of such memberships, we will get rid of our economic complications as well as other restrictions due to heavy loans which were to be returned with sufficient interest. The political climate in Pakistan due to Form 47 holders, the government of Shehbaz Sharif has created somewhat very much complications that we got loans from IMF twice in this regime, and heavy loans, heavy interest is to be given to IMF. World Bank, we also depend on World Bank, Islamic Bank and other sources. It is sorry to say that when the election symbol of Imran Khan, PTI, was snatched by the former Chief Justice of Pakistan, Mr. Qazi fight this, so many country, many of the countries did not like this negativity that he had created, because of the application petitions which were submitted by PTI Law Forum were held set aside by him, and it is gesture that he was Chief Justice of Supreme Court, but his policy was one-sided against PTI. It created the positivity of the rule of Form 47 holders, which is not to be justified as a rule of law. The foreign investors are refraining due to this reason and are not making any investment in Pakistan, because uncertainty of the system is very negative and quite different. That if they invest and the government is dissolved by writ petition, the result of writ petition which has filed PTI in Supreme Court and high courts of other provinces, it is obviously looked that PTI will may get rule over Pakistan, but such restrictions that as per our Constitution of 1973 are imposed against only one party, it may create any financial, political as well as geographical complications for Pakistan that our neighboring countries will not like, and SOC Brick Conference want that this region may be kept safe from any foreign intervention, as NATO has become only one single power after finishing of Warsaw Pact previously, and due to this reason the developing Islamic countries have felt loneliness. Dear viewers, the necessity of our membership in BRICS and SOC will positively and probably bring more and more positive results, but restriction is to be avoided that in our integral situation, which is creating complications due to non-giving of government to PTI as per Form 45, has created a very negative situation. So we must avoid this, and we hope that Supreme Court of Pakistan and High Courts will produce positive results as per petitions lodged by PTI law firm. Our dear viewers, we must keep ourselves attached with the situation, our geopolitical situation, as the members of Shanghai Cooperation Organization and BRICS are patiently looking towards us that we should get their membership, and this region may be kept safe and sound for our economic growth, also in view of CPAC. Thanks.